I've had a few subscribers ask me about the solid wood panels that we use here at Freebird, and we buy them in from a place called Optimum Timber Supplies. So this is pretty typical sort of board that we're getting. That's a 23mm solid oak board. So these are called edge laminated solid panel products. Now I'm here getting these loaded up at Optimum Timber right now. The lads are just grabbing some more oak boards for me. So I thought I would show you the range of products they do. These guys are in Mexborough, near Rotherham, South Yorkshire, but you've got other suppliers like this place like I think it's GA Imports, SMI Hardwoods down south, Kesteven Products is another one. There'll be loads of other ones about, but this is a great little place that specialises in these panel products to trade. They've got fixed prices, very low prices. They import in bulk. They do some MDF and some veneered products as well, and some birch ply, and I found their prices to be very good on all of those things. But as I say, really what they specialise in is your solid wood, edge laminated timber products. So I'll walk you through a bit of the range that they've got knocking about. So you've got your pine board. So these are largely used by your pine furniture manufacturers. It's just more economical to buy in pre-joined boards than to be planing and thicknessing and gluing yourselves. So you've got lots of different thicknesses. I think they go down to, they have some at 6mm I think for some panels, and up to sort of 30-40mm. Different thicknesses for different materials, different widths. So this is I think a 900mm wide width. A lot of what they do in the solid timber products, they're 600mm wide. A few bits loaded up here in one of their vans. You can see there's some 8x4 sheets of your MDF and your veneered MDFs as well. Very large stock, as you can see, of the pine board. And then you've got your oak. So we buy quite a lot of 23mm thickness oak. That's just the thickness they have, which we find is good for countertops. You've also got your 18mm, which we buy for other stuff, carcassing and stuff. Now, what else have they got? Yeah, and other thicknesses up to. So we're just buying in a 32mm thickness, which is made for a tabletop. So that comes at 900mm width, although we're cutting it down a little bit. They've got worktops as well. But whereas your typical kitchen worktop, it's got quite narrow staves, as you may be able to see there. A lot of these solid timber products, they have quite wide staves, which looks better, I think, for your fitted furniture and your non-kitchen type products. They've also got some tongue and grooved boards knocking about somewhere. Yeah, so you got your tongue and grooved, pre-tongue and grooved sort of beaded MDF. They do also sell separate beaded tongue and groove boards. I think they've got pine and oak. Here's some of their veneered stuff. That's your veneered oak. Again, I found their prices to be pretty good on that. And a few thicknesses of your general MDF as well. Oh, here's some of the beaded tongue and groove. That can be good for back panels, that sort of thing. So as I say, that's Optimum Timber Supplies in Mexborough. I think they've got a fairly simple website. You ring up and speak to Pete, he runs it, and his two lads, I think it's Dan and Jack, they're just loading in for me now. They do also do chairs and square oak legs, so you can easily make a table and resell a table and chairs and everything just from components bought from them, plus a few other things I've not mentioned like pine mouldings. So give them a try, or look for somewhere local to you if you're doing this kind of work. It really makes a lot of sense to be buying in solid wood panels already planed flat. You just cut your parts out of them. Hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.